What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at AMD stock. So, guys, I'll be providing you my position update because I did do something with my position this morning, and we'll also go over as if this structure is changing now because there are some signs I'm seeing in the price action of AMD that this may very likely now may turn around a little bit to the upside, but this is a start of at least some move that may come on this to the upside for a couple of days, at least until earnings. So AMD has its earnings on Tuesdays next week, so we have Friday and Monday tomorrow. So, and I'm just sizing out a little bit more before the earnings because I am not fully out of my short position right now, but I do want to just leave very trailing position in there just to see what happens through the earnings. But I'll be, well, I'm okay. I'll talk about it, how much I'm out already in the profits and, but anyways. So we'll talk most importantly the price action and the structure as why I think this looks like a little bit changing here. So guys, with that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note none of this is any financial advice. This is only for education purposes. Today we also have Microsoft and Google's earnings, so that will define market quite a lot. So anyways, guys, so let's start off with first of all my position update. So guys, this is where I was happy again that hey, it's going down, but when it got bought back up and went above around $151 again, I am out of most of my short position here. You already know I took some partial profits here, and then remaining I have been sizing out here. So yes, I only have now 10% of the position left, very minuscule, that I'll just see how it goes till the earnings time. And through the earnings as well, maybe 10% is not going to hurt. Even if it goes up back up here, hits my stop loss, it's not going to hurt me anything. I'm already, booked my profits on it. So that's my position update. But other than that, as for you saw in the thumbnail as well that, this may be something structural bullish sign that I am seeing on AMD. So let's talk about that. Before that, I just want to adjust something here on my indicator as well, guys. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. Okay. So the thing that I'm seeing here is, guys, even though we are below 20 and 50 days moving average, but there are some leading indicators that I'm seeing in the price action that potentially may make it go up a little bit up. So, and until where those possibilities are, we'll talk about that as well. So why is that upside may come? Because the thing is that what I wanted to see is either a weak red candle or continuation to the downside after yesterday's candle. So once it recaptured this $151 again, that's where my radar started to go blip, 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 right? And why so? Because this is a sort of start possibly of a double bottom almost with a higher low. Okay, this is on daily interval, sort of trying to form a pivot with a strong green candle also coming over here. And so until where I expect this bounce to happen, at least to level of $162 again, where the 20 days moving averages. Things are looking like that. Not saying it's going to happen, and accordingly we have our stop losses or whatnot, but there's a possibility this rebound is coming, and that's just seeing the price action here. And if today, which we most likely will close above 151, and if we close above that, yes, tomorrow it can go back to the upside, and as long as tomorrow is not breaking below $151, that is just needs to be taken as just a pullback, and it may go upside. Let's take a look at 4 hours interval. Things will get much more clear there. So this was the trend line that we had, and this is why also I say this rebound is a possibility in the making, right? So we have gotten out of that trend line that was acting as a rejection for quite some time, right? In this downtrend, you can see rejection, 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 rejection. But now, since we regained one of those levels, critical level 151, and together with that, we have a strong buying wick coming in on 4 hours interval, and that's why also I think this can continue intradays and couple of days upside, at least until earnings. And unless after earnings, technicals will be completely different and completely new. That will change the things. So we have to keep that in mind as well. But yes, this is already looking like a higher pivot, and this has a room to continue back to these levels, 158, 162 as well. So yes, and that's why I have sized out more from my position. So yeah, the zone $162 range is the possibility in my opinion, and this is more looking like start of the change of structure in my opinion. And again, and this is on hourly interval as well, you can see. But anytime if we lose $151, let's say if tomorrow we lose it again to the downside, then it's a continuation to the downside. I'm a little bit getting in front of the structure already, as you know. I mean, that's why I sized out my position and profit as well, a lot more. But you can see on hourly interval, we are still below 200 hours moving average. So just keep in mind that even though some confirmation has started to come in, and yes, the confirmation is more getting in the direction of bulls now. If bears wants to take more in their control back again, they need to break $151 tomorrow, okay? So guys, that's my sentiment on AMD. That's how I'm reading it. Again, you don't have to agree with me. You can do whatever you want. I'm just providing my opinion here. That's all. All right, so that's that. And let's take a look at Nvidia as well. So this thing is broken out of $824 again. Looks like most likely it will close above $824. Again, bulls are again trying to come back in, and if let's see if they form this pivot. And the final confirmation though, guys, like yes, the structure is looking like, oh hey, it's wanna change, you can follow $841. That's a recent area of pivot as well. But definitely, again, that's the thing, right? This is the zone between 824 and 50 days moving average. I would say is the zone of indecisiveness, but that's more like a territory fight between bulls and the bears. All right, I mean, I'm not complaining. Why? Because my day trading bot, if I show you that, I mean, it's still making a lot of money in these rebounds. Look at these great buying moves that we have been getting, right? Like profitable positions on the bot. So I'm not complaining, but I'm still covering the swing thesis and everything. I'm just, I trade both sides. It doesn't bother me. It's just that what is the structure telling me, and accordingly trading with the probability, and just I'm providing my opinion here. So yeah, you can see that's not a complaint that Nvidia is going up, but it's just that is it swing bullish or bearish, and how I want to take the long-term positions on it, and what is the sentiment all in all looking like on it, right? So yeah, as if we close above 824, bulls are again then in the equation. They're again in the equation. Okay, check out my morning video on Nvidia that I did. That will teach you a lot about the things. Just before wrapping up, let's take a look at QQ and SPY. And so guys, the thing is that, as I said, today we have Microsoft and Google earning that will define quite a lot. We did gap down quite badly. Throughout the day, we have gotten bought back up, and but I don't see this being bullish. It's just a little bit of a thing zigzagging, but I think it will continue lower. Again, Microsoft and Google will affect quite a lot on the market. All right, so let's take a look at SPY getting bought back up today, but I'm not gonna expect much out of it. We are still in the downtrend though. But yeah, we'll see. As I said, Microsoft and Google will tell a lot today. Guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.